Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. So I got information that a Colombian former military officer who goes by the name of Mario Antonio Palacios. Now, if I don't pronunciate his last name properly, I'm going to spell it for you just in case. Alright, so that would be Palacios, and I spell it just in case if I get his last name incorrect. However, it is said that that person is wanted by international law enforcement in connection with the assassination of Haitian President Jovenel Moïse. So I got information that the person who goes by the name of Mario had been arrested by the authorities within a country that is known as Jamaica. Sources say that the man was held by local cops for illegal entry into the island, but checks later identified him as a man who was flagged by the International Criminal Police Organization, Interpol, based on an investigation by law enforcement officials in Haiti who are probing the July 7 assassination of Moïse. I got the understanding that there has been no official word yet from the local police, and the sources have not indicated where or how the man was held. Haiti issued an unwanted bulletin for the former Colombian military officer whom is claimed had traveled to the country at least one day before the assassination of Moïse. The Haiti National Police in its notice described the man as a very dangerous person and appealed to Haitians to contact law enforcement authorities should he be seen, according to the PNH. The man had traveled with several former soldiers involved in the assassination of President Moïse. So you see them things are going on, my people, and them things are going on. So how this a person end up at Jamaica, me no know, but I got the understanding that the police arrested that man, and that man is a person of interest when it comes on to the assassination of Jovenel Moïse. Some people me just make you know what go on, you see. And when I think about it now, viewers and subscribers, I wonder if there are more wanted persons from other countries out there in the country of Jamaica, and viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, so all these things me start to think right about now. See, it come like a pure things are going in the country of Jamaica from the other day. October is a month when they say something about celebration of Halloween or something like that, don't it? You know. Anyway, my people, big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, you see it.